Another day. It's another Poshmark Q&A. I'm wearing a bright lip color today. Oh, I don't have lipstick on my teeth, or these aren't lipsticks. I was actually sent these in PR a long ass time ago. These are the Maybelline Superstay ink crayons, and these are amazing. Like this color, I'm not really a red lip wearer. Only when I have dark hair, I think I look funny when I have like lighter hair. This color is called Own Your Empire, and I don't know. Thought I'd just switch it up for this video. I was choosing between that one and this one called Accept a Dare, which is more of like a cranberry type color, but I literally have like, hold on, all of them. They literally sent me all of them. Like I said, this was a while ago, but I'm gonna keep these out. I had them like tucked away in my collection, but I'm gonna keep these out because there's like some really, hold on, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There's 12 of them. But yeah, there's some really nice ones. Like this one is a really pretty nude color. It's called Lead the Way. I like this one too. It's a little bit darker. It's called Enjoy the View. I don't know. I'm excited for these because these are super moisturizing and the pigment is pretty good. All right. Do you guys care about lip products? Probably not. You're here to see a Poshmark related video, right? Okay. First question. Hi, Vanessa. I love your channel so much. You're my favorite reseller to watch. Oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Thank you. I finally have a question. So, do you allow cancellations? In the last week, I've had 2 different people try to cancel sales well after the 3-hour mark. It is frustrating because I had already packaged things up, not taken them to the post office yet, but they were all packaged and ready to go. I ended up canceling both of them, but wasted shipping materials. What would you have done? So, I don't allow cancellations unless, I don't know, like unless the person contacts me and they're like, hey, you know, they have like a legit reason for wanting to cancel. I wouldn't have canceled these, especially since everything was already packaged up. And like you said, you know, you wasted like your shipping materials. A buyer has up to 3 hours after they purchase something, only if they don't send an offer on it. If they send an offer on it, it's binding and they have to purchase it. I mean, you could still cancel it, but they cannot cancel it. So, a buyer has 3 hours after they purchase something, again, not on an offer, to cancel it. And then after that 3 hours, it's definitely up to you if you want to do it. But like I said, I don't allow cancellations unless the person contacts me and they're like, hey, you know, it's a genuine mistake, or, you know, if they have like a legit reason, then yes, I'll cancel it. But I probably wouldn't have canceled those sales, especially since they're all packaged up and ready to go. Okay. Next question. I'm talking about like shipping materials and stuff. Where do you get your shipping materials from? Do you use free stuff from the post office? Also, what do you use for taking pictures and lighting? Okay, so I get the majority of my stuff from Amazon. I'll actually link my Amazon storefront down below. I have a section on there with like all my favorite reselling tools. I have my poly mailers on there that I use, my clear plastic bags that I put my inventory in. I have thank you stickers. I have other tools, just so much stuff on there. So yeah, I like to use cute poly mailers. You can get free stuff from the post office, and I do use post office boxes. My husband uses their boxes and their poly mailers, but I like to have the cute poly mailers. But we do have a huge stockpile of boxes from the post office that you can get for free, and I do use those boxes when I sell bundles or shoes. That's definitely more cost effective, obviously, to use the free stuff from the post office, but like I said, I like to have my stuff look cute. Your other question was, what do you use for taking pictures and lighting? So I use my phone to take pictures. I just set it to square mode and then I take the pictures right there. It's so much easier than bothering with, like I have a really nice camera. I could take pictures with it, but it's just so much easier to use my phone. And as far as lighting goes, I use a ring light. I actually have 2 at the moment. They are both from the same brand, Newer. I will link them both down below. But yeah, I have one that I use for my videos. I'm using one right now. And then I have another one. Actually, we have 4 ring lights, and I think 3 out of the 4 of them are from Newer. My husband has 2 out in our garage where he like takes pictures of our shoes. They're great. They're super affordable. And again, I will link them down below. Okay, next question. What's the dumbest question you've ever received on Poshmark? I can't really think of anything specifically. It's always irritating when you get someone that asks a question that is clearly answered in the description. You know, for instance, like, are there any flaws on this item? And you clearly say in your description, like, excellent condition, or like new with tags, excellent condition, no flaws, and they don't read that. It's very annoying when they don't read the description. But yeah, that's really what comes to mind. I don't recall any. Well, I mean, I have gotten some requests to like model things, like, and I'm just like, meh. I think some of those people legit wanted to see what it looked like on a person. Others were just creeps. But yeah, I don't model stuff. Somebody asked me one time to model a pair of shoes, and I know they were just asking because they had a foot fetish, because they were like, oh, can you do it from this angle and from this angle and from you like putting your foot like this? Like, it was fucking weird. Yeah. What annoys me is when people ask questions that are clearly answered in the description. Next question. Hey, Vanessa, thank you so much for your videos. I'm learning so much. Oh, Angela, thank you for watching. My question is, why do some sellers never respond to questions? So, I mean, I think there could be many reasons for that. I think, well, I know the majority of people that sell on Poshmark aren't resellers. So, you know, they're just trying to sell things from their own closet. Maybe they don't know that people can ask questions. Maybe they don't care if people ask questions. They just want to sell shit. They don't want to like hassle or like go through the hassle of, you know, commenting back and forth with someone. They just want to list something and sell it. And that's why, I don't know, that's just my guess. Next question. Okay, so I just had the weirdest thing happen to me on Poshmark, and I need your advice on what to do. So I purchased a shirt from a seller. The listing picture had the shirt, and it was also styled with a pair of jeans and a pair of shoes. I got my package today, and in the package was also the jeans and the pair of shoes. I clearly did not pay for them. What do I do? Do I contact Poshmark? Do I try to contact the seller? The jeans fit me, but the shoes do not. LOL figures. I'm so confused and I have no idea what to do. Yeah, that's kind of weird. I would definitely, I mean, I couldn't in good conscience like keep the stuff even if they fit me and I like them. I would definitely contact the seller first and be like, hey, you know, this is what's going on. You sent me. Well, first, I think I would go back to the listing and read the description to make sure it was just the, what did you say, shirt that you were purchasing. Maybe they put in the description that the shoes and the jeans were also for sale and you missed that part. So first I would go back to the listing and see what it said in the listing description. And then if it didn't say the jeans and the shoes, I would contact the seller and just say, hey, you sent all this to me. Did you mean to? Like, what's going on? And then, yeah, see what they say. Keep me posted on what happens because I'm very curious. Okay, last question. Do you ever get burnt out? I've only been selling for about 8 months and I feel like it's too soon or too early for a burnout. Does this happen to you? What do you do? Of course I do. When it happens, I take a step back and I'm like, okay, like what's going on? What's pissing me off? What's burning me out? What's happening? Like what's going on? And I evaluate things and then I try to make changes. I find that sometimes when I get burnt out, some things are within my control, other things I cannot control. If I can't control something, then I try to realize that and accept that and move on from the burnout. So that is it for this video. I hope I answered your questions. If you have any other questions, you can comment down below. Send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me on Twitter. If you're new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is Keepin' It Rad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.